Hi there. Today I am making sweet vermicelli with coconut milk. It's one of those non-fuss recipes that you can cook on a short notice. The mild coconut flavor of this dessert makes it enjoyable for everyone. Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? These are the ingredients for today's recipe. I'll tell you all about them as we go along. 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. A handful of cashew nuts. Fry them. They've got a nice color on them, so I'll just get them out. Add in a cup of vermicelli. Fry this. I've been frying the vermicelli on low heat for 3 minutes now, and they have turned crispy. I'll add in 2 cups of milk. And bring that to a boil. Keep the heat at medium and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. The vermicelli is starting to absorb the milk, and it's been 2 minutes now. I'll add in about half a cup of sugar. You may add in more according to taste. Let the sugar dissolve. Once the sugar has dissolved, I'll just put a lid on it and let it cook for 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes, the vermicelli has absorbed even more of the milk, and I want it to absorb the milk completely, so we'll keep cooking. Pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. This last part, cook it on high and keep moving it so that all the milk is absorbed by the vermicelli. Add in some coconut milk, 1/4 cup of it. I'll add in some cardamom powder. That smells lovely. I can't wait to taste it. Finally, the cashew nuts. Have you subscribed to my channel already? That is done. So I'll just turn off the heat, cover it and let it rest for 5 minutes. This is how it looks once it has cooled down slightly. Just notice that all the milk has been absorbed. That's how we want it. I like to serve it warm or at room temperature. Decorate it with some silver leaf or silver balls and serve it warm. Enjoy!